Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your forgotten PIN code on MyEther wallet. If you're trying to log into your MyEther wallet application but you've forgotten your PIN code, then do not worry at all. In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily get out of this situation quicker and faster. From this main interface, tap on Forgot PIN button at the bottom right. Now, in case you've forgotten your PIN, you will need to reset your wallet. If you've got a backup for your wallet, you can easily restore your wallet using the backup phrases. Simply tap Reset Wallet and tap on Reset Wallet once again. Now, tap on the Import Existing Wallet option. Tap on Restore with Recovery Phrase option on the next page and then tap on Continue. Enter your recovery phrases in the correct order that you previously backed up and make sure you have it all. After typing in your recovery phrases, tap on Restore at the top right hand corner and it'll then ask you to create a PIN code. Now, make sure to enter the PIN code, which will be easier for you to remember next time. Once you are done, type in your PIN code once again and you will be able to restore your wallet even if you've forgotten your PIN code for MyEther wallet. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.